Hi guys, I'm Varun and today we talk about a cookware range that will solve all your space saving needs in the kitchen. Meyer has introduced a Kitchen Hacks cookware range for this purpose. A cookware range that perfectly stacks in itself using only a small percentage of the space as compared to loose cookware. The range has stacking casseroles, kadais, fry pans and stir fries. The fry pans and stir fries are made from 100% safe FDA approved non-stick coatings, whereas the kadais and the casseroles are made from proprietary nickel-free stainless steel fitting all your cookware needs. All the cookware comes in 3 sizes catering to every family's needs regardless of the fact you're cooking for an individual or a whole party. All products stack one inside the other, which means while storing, you are only using the space of one cookware, making your kitchen much more neater and organized. Generally, when we store our cookware at home in an unorganized manner, we end up chipping, scratching or denting our expensive pieces. Well, not anymore. All the cookware in this range is designed in such a way that they never touch the surface of the cookware below, keeping it safe for a long time.